Business will soon have to provide a workplace pension, even if you employ just one person. It's the law. Act now and find out where this affects you. Search the Pensions Regulator. Workplace pensions. We're all in. The Pensions Regulator is empowered by the UK government to regulate workplace pensions.
It's hard to imagine a more enchanting setting for a winter wedding than an 18th century mansion with acres of private grounds and woodland. At Thayston House in Veroory, we'll work with you to create your perfect wedding day. From the moment you arrive, you'll be in the capable hands of our experienced team, leaving you to relax and enjoy the company of your guests. Celebrate your special day at Thayston House in Veroory, with packages starting at £2,999. Limited dates available and terms and conditions apply. For further information, contact our wedding coordinator on 01467 621 643.
Kids and gardens, happy plant. Pets and clothing, happy plant. Open a week, happy plant.
The happiest garden centre in the northeast is the Happy Plant, with an unbelievable selection of happy plants, happy gifts. Take a break in our happy coffee shop and local and luxury foods in our happy food department. The Happy Plant Garden Centre in Mintlaw, where everything is smiles better.
Great shopping every day. Happy Plant's Garden Centre.
Discover the autumn furniture collection at Candle Close Gallery, the only supplier of Kelda rustic pine furniture in the northeast. Browse through an extensive range of reclaimed pine, restored antique and bespoke one-off furniture pieces, as well as giftware, jewellery and collectibles. Explore the hidden treasure that is the Candle Close Gallery showroom at 123 Gallowgate for a truly unique shopping experience. Or view online our extensive stock at candleclosegallery.co.uk or Facebook.
The all-new Mitsubishi L200 Series 5, showing the world how it's done. Come and see for yourself. Station Garage invites you to experience the Mitsubishi L200 Series 5 at their Arrive and Drive event in Afford on Friday and Saturday the 19th of September. Book now at sales@station-garage.co.uk.
We can break down the breakdown. We know the lineups at lineouts. Tight heads and tight results. We know who's on the bench, who's benching what, and which number 10 is only a 6 out of 10. Don't miss the times on Saturday for your Rugby World Cup wall chart and insights from the game's finest minds. The Times. Join the ultimate rugby team.
I know. The state pension is changing.
Oh, I know. How much you get will still depend on your national insurance record. And don't forget you may still have a private pension to consider too.
I know. I'll be able to see how much I'm likely to receive and understand what I can do to improve my state pension.
I know. If you reach state pension age on or after the 6th of April 2016, you'll be part of the new scheme.
Make sure you know the facts about the new state pension. Visit gov.uk/yourstatepension for more information.